Hello everyone! In this quick video, I'll show you how to add a card to your Ace Money Transfer account. First, open the Ace Money Transfer app and log in. On the home screen, tap the three lines in the top left corner to open the menu. Next, go to Payment Methods or tap Cards. Now, tap Add New Card and enter your card number, expiry date, CVV, and billing address. Once you've entered all the details, review them carefully, then confirm and complete any verification steps. And that's it! Your card is now saved and ready for future transfers. And that's how to add a card to your Ace Money Transfer account. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.